welcome back to my channel. It's Dee from Busy with Dee, and I am going to do a voiceover for this back to school lunch videos because my clips got all mixed up and I have no clue where they are. So I'm not even sure what day this is, but they both took cheese sandwiches on this day. This is Delia's lunchbox. I kind of tried to duplicate the Jersey Mike sandwich that we get. So there's provolone, vegan cheese, cheddar cheese, green peppers, and mustard, and that is on French bread. They have spicy Doritos, carrot sticks, and blueberries, and I gave Delia a little ranch. She likes ranch with her carrots. They have a Capri Sun, and there's Delia's water bottle. Most of you guys may know, some of you may not, that we're vegetarian. We've been vegetarians for a little over a year now, so Delia and Damari take, of course, vegetarian lunches. They both pretty much take the same thing. Damari takes a little extra because she has a snack time. And this is not her lunchbox, this is Delia's. I'm not sure where the clip is for Damari's lunchbox, but they both ate their entire lunch that day. Okay, so I just found a picture of Damari's lunch. Here it is. She has cheese for snack with some Late July brand chips. I forgot the type, but the brand is Late July. There's her sandwich. She has popcorn, cheddar popcorn, with everything else the same as Delia. Okay, so for the next day, they really liked the sandwich, so they took the exact same sandwich. It's just on honey wheat bread this time because we ran out of French bread. So it's the provolone cheese, vegan cheese, cheddar cheese, and green peppers with the honey wheat bread. Dalia has grapes and mandarin oranges, carrot sticks, and Sour Patch Kids, and she's also trying out this new popcorn we got, which is the Pop Secret Cake Popcorn. She has Chips Ahoy for her snack, a Capri Sun, and then her bottle of water. Damari has her sandwich cut into fours. She has the popcorn, grapes, and carrots, and then for her snack time, she has animal crackers and mandarin oranges, and she will drink water with her snack, and then for lunch, she'll have her juice. On this day, they both ate all of their lunch, but Damari just left a few animal crackers in her snack. Okay, so here's lunch number 3. They're both taking leftover cauliflower wings from the night before. Delia has buffalo hot wings and Damari has honey barbecue. They both have blueberries, they both have carrot sticks, and they both have cheese sticks or cubes. Delia has vanilla wafers for a snack, and Damari has Oreos. Damari has Pop Secret, that cake popcorn for her snack with mandarin oranges with the Capri Sun. She also has her water bottle. And Delia has Rice Krispie treat with Capri Sun with her water bottle. Okay, so somehow the clip for how they didn't get ruined or corrupted. So it is next. You can keep watching to see how they did on that day. Alright, you guys, so it's about 10 o'clock at night. I have Damari's lunchbox here. And as you can see, her cauliflower wings made a huge mess up here. But she ate everything except for her Oreos. So maybe I'll give her a different snack tomorrow. Or maybe she was full. I don't know why she didn't eat it. But she ate everything else. She ate her cauliflower wings. She ate her carrots. She ate her... What did I put right here? I think blueberries. She ate her blueberries. She just didn't eat... What did I put in here? I can't even remember. But she just didn't eat her Oreos. Okay, so now it is Delia's turn. Her hot wings made a little mess on the top, but she ate everything as well. Her buffalo hot cauliflower wings, carrots, blueberries, and whatever I put right here that I can't remember. And I gave Delia vanilla wafers today, and she ate all of those. So tomorrow is, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday. I'm going to go ahead and pack their lunch tonight. I usually pack it in the morning, but I'm going to go ahead and do it tonight. And I'll show you guys in the morning what they have. Alright guys, so here is Damari's lunch. She has the veggie, these are veggie hot dogs in here. And these are the croissant rolls, Oreos for a snack. That's mustard, sugar snap peas, and blueberries. And she has a separate snack time, and she wanted cheese and pretzels, which is the same thing she took yesterday. And here's her water, and she'll also have a Capri Sun for lunch, and then the water will be for snack. Delia has the same thing. She wanted baby bell cheese, sugar snap peas, blueberries, mustard, and she has Oreos for her. She eats this like towards the end of the day. They have a snack time in class. Chips Ahoy. And then this is for her lunch. So that's about it. That's Friday's lunch. Okay, guys, so it's Friday. It's Friday night, really. Damari's already asleep. Delia's in the bed. Let me show you guys Damari's lunchbox, what she ate. And I'm filming this on my phone, so I'm trying to open it. So, she ate all the Oreos, of course. She didn't eat, I guess, some of the bread, but some of it was kind of hard because I left it in there too long, so she didn't eat those pieces. But the veggie hot dog she ate her blueberries, I think that was right there, and she ate all of her sugar snap peas. So that's good. And let's check her snack. Okay, so here's her snack container. She ate all of her pretzels and cheese, and she drank all of her waters, completely empty. And I'll be back to show you Delia's. Okay, so here is Delia's, and she ate everything. She just has 2 little blueberries left, but everything is gone. And she ate both of her snacks, and this is her water bottle. She drank all of her water. So, pretty good day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next week, I will do their school lunches as well. They'll be in school for 5 days next week, Monday through Friday. So I have more lunches to show you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.